It's not registered in your brain.
Life is so stressful.
Listen,
why?
Life is not stressful. If you want to understand why I said such actions should be limited. But holding me like that has large implications. How many times do I have to say it?
It's the way Suj was just looking at the two of them that is making me laugh. Like, I don't know if this will be Onyeka's strategy, guys, because I think she's after Ozee, like back to back. At some point, I was like, she may be deliberate because she really wants to use the guy to keep trending for the votes so that they keep talking about her. Do you understand? So that they will stay, because of the Spice Girl thing she's being called. She needs to use the guy to keep highlighting herself outside the house. Maybe that's what she's thinking, actually, that she's on top of her game. Maybe that's why she's doing all these things. Because tell me how somebody will tell you literally that he needs some kind of boundaries and he doesn't want you to be holding him and touching him like that. Remember, he told you reasons why you shouldn't do that. Of course, she's aware that this guy has a girl outside the house. So she was not like, life is too serious. You just need to, just reach to relax. For what? Is it for content or for what exactly? Because why will you always emphasize on Ozee? I don't really know why, but I feel like at some point I was like, okay, maybe it's strategy. But this time around, I don't think it's just strategy, because maybe she's trying everything possible with her brain to just feel like she's trending to get the votes for the finale. Should we think about it that way? Guys, what do you actually think? Because I'm confused. Because now that she's doing this thing in the house, once she's out of the house, she will say that it is her strategy, that it is her game to follow up Ozee to trend. Do you understand? So that if you try to hold her in this part, she will defend herself the other way around. So that's why I'm trying to give her benefit of that maybe she's doing strategy around Ozee, but Ozee keeps warning her that he doesn't want that. He's not interested. Like, maybe me, you go do your highlight and all of that. At the end of the day, I get black ash outside, something like that. But guys, what do you actually think? Because I feel like it's an intentional stuff just to get the people talking outside the house. Maybe that's what I feel, or maybe she's that kind of person anyway. So let's see what people have to say. This person said, as a lady, it's always good to have self-respect. Oh, I'm ashamed on her behalf. Child, later her fans will say he likes her more than Victoria. At least he has never told Victoria to set boundaries. Onyeka shame, they shame me. You see how people are now seeing the perspective of this Onyeka situation, which is why I was like, she will end at the end of the day, she will say it's a strategy, to keep herself in the house. It's okay. Let's see the next comment. This person said, please, can someone explain what Onyeka motives is? Because seeing her on the screen safe annoys me as a woman. Why won't you have self-dignity? Kelly Ray, let me give him more votes. Ozee, thank you for resetting her sense, but will she still get it? No. I don't tire at this point, guys. So this person said he has started showing her what to expect outside. Never chase a man doesn't end well. Once Onyeka voice him now, he will start media rounds with her name. Voting continues. Onyeka, let's go. Can this Sunday come on fast? Because I'm fed up seeing this Onyeka on my screen. Wow. Guys, what do you actually think? I feel that this thing is strategy that they're using to keep themselves in the house. If you ask me, because there's nothing happening outside. The guy has a girlfriend. So maybe she's just cashing clues.